I'll be playing kaiju alpha. I'm doing noob to pro, cause I've been grinding on this on my main account, so for not posting a lot for like 8 or 9 months. But I'm gonna keep going, man. I'm gonna choose my kaiju. Let's get the free ones. I picked Kamatsu for now. She's really good for starter, so let's go in here. Oh, it's a lot. So I'm lagging. Let's go. Okay. What? Already got level 11 already? Damn. Let's go for the shimmer. In the water too. Oh, damn. What should I get? No. For like starter stuff. I should get like Matra Shogido, whatever. And I'm gonna just use like 1954 because he's like good from starter too. Hell no, there's a Ghidorah charging up. I gotta go, man. I'm just a boy with dreams. Okay, let's go once. But I'm just a new player, man. What? Okay, they're teaming them. Oh, never mind, they're not. Okay, I just got into a fight. Yeah, I just started, man, and I'm already getting destroyed. I just save up for Boris ones, cause these are good for now. Oh, I just got 200 cells from the... Oh crap. Not the Ghidorah lightning thingy, whatever. Oh hell no. There's a thermal too. Not the... Oh my god, not the thermal pulse. Bro, I just started, man. You're bullying a player, man. Why was my head like twisted when I learned to stomp? I'm low just because I got damaged by a Ghidorah. That's stupid. Stupid. Bro, I just... Oh, man. You're bullying me. You're so bullying. I'll find like Aquatillus or whatever his name is. Move, man. Or I would have like... And he just stole my coat. Okay. Why is Gazora literally so good in swimming when he's sprinting? Alright, I just upgraded the strength on Gojira. So I'm ready in battle, man. Wait, how am I already level 6? I'm Gazora. Oh my days! I'm literally fast as lightning. I can literally just go in water and then let's just go to the shin, man. Oh damn! Yeah, it's selected him. Stop! Ghidorah! What is Ghidorah, man? Oh no! Oh no! He turned on me. Never mind. He's just swimming like a fish. Yeah, I'm finding the shin because he killed me earlier. Bro, the shin keeps being spamming. This shin is pissing me off. Alright, I found a Gojira. Yay! Oh, hell no. Why did he literally upgrade the cost of haster? Did he get buffed or stay the same? Oh wait, he got nerfed. Bro, are you kidding me? Hey, isn't it good? It's like, bro, stop now. Dude, no. Just a new player, man. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna go back to Kamatsu-kun because why not? I'm gonna upgrade him. I'm ready. Spin. Oh my. Little god. I mean, can you move? I'm gonna go somewhere, I don't know. No, not this again. I didn't die this time, yay! No! Okay, I'm gonna turn on this Aquatilis, whatever his name is. Why am I not swimming? Just let me kill someone. I'm gonna get this chase. Okay, I just need a level 25 Shingo and then now that's it. I don't know why they made him so shocked when you're idle. Okay, this gives you one's beef now. I'm fighting this guy, man. Are you kidding me? I just need shit and then I'm good. It's Violante, man. I'm good today. Yeah. Come on, man. Alright, that's gonna be... Oh, no. Alright, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it, and peace.